I never thought that I would have the ability to do a 10K. Growing up, I had some severe health issues, including asthma. And the first 10K I did gave me the confidence to believe that I could do something I didn't think I could do before. Every day is very different. Every day's full. Whether it's meeting with investors, speaking to different media organizations. I manage billions of dollars on behalf of Canadians. It's tremendously challenging and requires a lot of energy every day. Music is a universal language. Around the world, you can listen to the same song and feel a similar depth of emotions. When I'm going through a lot of emails late at night, music powers me through that. I started the Black Opportunity Fund because it's the ability to create something that has never been done before and to have tremendous impact on our society. I care about the community that I live in. I care about leaving an impact on this world. That to me is really important. I'm Colin Lynch.